redneck.
Well, howdy folks. Today we're going to learn about multiplying and factoring polynomials. And for some of y'all that doesn't just make any sense, let me break it down for you. Factoring is the decomposition of a bigger problem into a smaller problem. And a polynomial is a monomial or a sum of monomials that is the term for the polynomial. Let's get started.
Get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid, to get the girl and your four-wheel drive. Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer, talking about.
Alright folks, let's get her done. So our original problem is given right here. Let's start. The first step is we're going to just break it down piece by piece, so that way it'll be a little bit easier. Let's start with the top term. 4x squared plus 15x plus 9. We're going to look for the factors of 9 times 4, which is 36, that add up to 15, and those are 12 and 3. We're going to use these for our x's. So we're left with 4x squared plus 12x plus 3x plus 9. We're going to take it 2 by 2, and your first factor is 4x, x plus 3, and for this set it's 3x plus 3. Add these together and you get 4x plus 3, and then x plus 3 is your constant. The next part we're going to look at is 8x squared plus 10x plus 3. You look for 8 times 3 is 24, and the factors that add up to 10 are 6 and 4. You plug those in for your x's, and you have 8x squared plus 6x plus 4 plus 3. Take a 2 by 2, and you're left with 2x, 4x plus 3, plus 1, 4x plus 3. So your factors are 2x plus 1, and then your constant is 4x plus 3. Then you look at this term, 2x plus 1, and that cannot be factored, so you leave it. Then your last term is x squared plus 4x, and you factor that and you get x plus 4. So then you put it all together and you're left with 4x plus 3, x plus 3 from up here, 2x plus 1, 4x plus 3, times 2x plus 1, x plus 4, and you cross out what you have the same of. So we have 2 of these, and you're left with x plus 3 over x plus 4. Bye-bye. Howdy. So, teach me more for some math. I love math. Not really, I like fishing. But since it's low tide, we're going to make some useful time and learn. Let's get started. Alrighty. So, we have the same type of problem set up right here. So we're going to start with the first term. And you find the factors of 9 that add up to 6x, or to 6, and those are 3 and 3. So we write that right there, x plus 3, x plus 3. Then we do this one, x squared minus 9. And since they both have a square root, we take the square root of both of them and do a positive 3 and a negative 3, so you get x plus 3 and x minus 3. And then you go up here and you take out what you can, and that's a 3, so we take out a 3 and you're left with x minus 3. And for this one, you do the factors of negative 3 that add up to 2, and that's 3 and negative 1, so you have x plus 3 because it's positive and x minus 1 because it's negative. And then you cross out what you have the same of, so we have x plus 3, x plus 3. We have x plus 3 and x plus 3, and we have x minus 3 and x minus 3. And we're left with 3, x minus 1. Love life.
Down with the
After a long day of fishing and a long day of hunting, I love sitting in my camper, Miss Miranda, doing some high-level SOL problems. Alright, last one. Our given problem is right here. So, like I said, each time you start and break apart each little piece of it. So for 2x plus 4, you take out a 2, and you're left with 2x plus 2. You go to x squared minus 4, and they both have a square root. So you do the positive and negative, so x plus 2, x minus 2. Then you go up here, x squared minus 4x. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
X squared minus 4x plus 4. You do the factors of 4 that add up to negative 4, and you're left with negative 2 and negative 2. So you get x minus 2 and x minus 2. And then this cannot be factored any farther, so you leave it be. Then you cross out what you have the same of. So we have x plus 2 and x plus 2, so you cross them out. You have x minus 2 and x minus 2, and cross it out. You have x minus 2 and x minus 2, cross it out. So all we're left with is 2.
As in 2 deer.
As in 2 deer.
I'm starting to get it. High five, teacher. Woo!
Bug life.
That's good.